So guys, this is the Kruschevka building I'm gonna live in. You see they kind of painted them yellow color, but yeah, you see, and they have also here tire culture. Yeah, maybe this they could make though, the asphalt here, you know, but good playground and so on. And you see in Kazakhstan this like kind of symbols are famous. In Russia we don't have it. Hello guys from the communist apartment we rented for me in Semey, former name Semipalatinsk, Soviet nuclear polygon was here. I've never been in such apartment like with such a planning. Look, let's start from the most interesting place. You see here they have shared toilet. It depends. In the first Kruschevkas, it's first Kruschevka type, I think from the early 1960s, they would have toilet like this, loo it's called, and bus tube together. Then the communist state started to separate it because it was more comfortable, you know, you can go make a small deal or big deal when someone's showering. Yeah, but here they installed this, but I think it was like some small bus tube here, maybe, I don't know. Oh, we got communist toilet paper, communist type, but it's freaking breaks, you know, very much, but it's very cheap in the same time. So now, well, here it's like this. Oh, careful, careful, look what it's like. Here it's like that. So this is the kitchen, kind of standard communist kitchen, 6 square meters it's usually. So here it seems it's also 6 square meters. Yes, but they don't have hot water here by some reason. But they have this
Ariston.
Yeah, Ariston. Maybe. And this is the room, guys. 2 rooms or 2 windows. You see the original windows, communist windows still here. By the way, you know, communist windows, for the winter you need to close them because lots of holes with scotch or something you have to add like this, you see? Yes, it's like every winter, before the winter we did it. So, and here you see already capitalist windows. Yeah, wow, here like some dog can live or something. I don't know.
And this taburet.
Ah, yes, it's original, guys. Wow, I remember such ones.
See.
But you see, it's still, wow, yeah, it's maybe they fixed it. Wow. It's for tough Soviet tests, capitalist tests won't survive it, you know. Or maybe it's good for capitalist tests, you will sit and this, like, fat will go from
And you see this bottle?
What?
Kazakh, yeah?
Kazakh RG, exclusive quality, vodka, exclusive quality. Wow, it becomes blue. If you freeze it, it gets blue color, it says. Magic. Wow, maybe it's, I can even make a separate video out of it. Well, this is kind of maybe late Soviet, or you know, I had something similar like this, but the bed is already a cheap capitalist one. Yeah, this is maybe original, you see? This is original, maybe it's not even Soviet, guys. I remember this color, you know, we had in my Soviet apartment where I grew up. It's maybe from some Warsaw Pact countries like Hungary or maybe even Yugoslavia, because this furniture was considered to be good from those countries.
And you see this выключатель?
Ah, yeah, this is
Lights.
Soviet. You see? Wow, magic. But bulbs are capitalist already. Maybe we can even find where it's made. Oh, there is no bodies there. Usually, no, here I don't see it. Oh wow, look. It's very clean, but behind it, it's not very clean. But that's okay. Well, oh my god, what's that? Ah, it's internet. Ah, no, it's TV cable.
Yes.
You know, in Russia they canceled these TV cables, so people moved to digital something. But still, you can use it. Propaganda, you see, very powerful. But every communist building in the beginning had this, and also radio. Maybe they have radio here. Radio usually in the kitchen. No, I don't see it. Maybe it's early Soviet building, but in later buildings there were like radios, like cable.
Yeah, you can washing your clothes.
Yeah, but it's capitalist technology, not interesting, you know. Soviet technology was like with hands like this. Oh guys, look, yes, that's what I told you, it's for the winter, warming up, and let's check out the view. Well, these windows has to be cleaned, but you know, I'm even afraid to open it, because like, yeah, but just the view, you see, better view than on Beverly Hills 19210. You see, amazing view we have here. But you see, very green. For example, I just came from Montenegro and Bosnia, and they don't have such greeny neighborhoods, you know. And Kazakhstan, it's like a steppe, you know, so not many trees grow here, but in the cities they plant many trees, so it's amazing. Okay, that's it for now, I think. Wow guys, it's also very different here, that they have electricity here. Wow, in the stairs, you know. In Russia, no, sometimes we have it, but still I've never seen in such buildings like that. And also they have 3 doors here. Ah, 4 doors. Here is 4 doors. Maybe we didn't notice it. But on the first floor it's just 3 doors by some reason. Maybe it's bigger apartment here. Oh my god, here is very interesting. Ah, it's closed.
And here is like подвал, how to say.
Ah, yeah, basement. Wow guys, the view is amazing, and then you jump into your Lada car, you see the cool cars, Lada 2110 or 12. Wow, they have it here like military, you see yellow building. And also they have tire culture here, guys, look, tire culture is amazing. You know, in such hood it's much more interesting for kids to play than in these capitalist ones. Oh my god, it's not very stable. Well, yeah, the Soviet garages, guys, you see, it's illegal garages usually. I thought it's cat. So it's usually illegal garages. People made themselves in Soviet times illegally, but in Russia, for example, in big cities they are being removed now, but still here they are still being kept. I'm not sure if it's legal or illegal. Oh my god, look guys, the tubes underground as well here. Wow, it's amazing. Oh, Volkswagen. But guys, what I want to say, that here maybe it's a bit trashy, but it's because it's like near the big trash can, but in general it's really quite clean in Kazakhstan, you know. So yeah, the old Larek like shop, but now it's closed. Да. Oh my god, look guys, who we see here. Хороший. Wow, this is Babushka garden here, you see. And this is, guys, how you beat the carpets, clean the carpets, or maybe wash and then dry them. But usually people beat them in winter. Wow, what many Russian cars here, wow. Wow, чувак из машины. Да. Ну мы вывезли базар, да? So guys, we will ask why, what are you filming, but we know, you said we are from St. Petersburg, first time here, so it's ended fine. Maybe also because I spoke in English. So the guy, как это, смотрящий, да? Oh, ma, can you film me? Wow, guys, it's much more interesting than your carpet of this one. Yeah, guys, but filming you have to have some legend why you filming in the food.
Yeah.
Like we did now, some guy asked us, what are we filming here, you know?
Because some people think you shoot in bad way, like
Bad way or spy, yeah, or maybe like filming cars to steal.
you see, like wood.
Wow, this one is good actually. No, you know, actually it's good playground because it's interesting. Like playground.
Like kind of handmade. How
Yeah.
to say.
Yeah, it's interesting playground actually, no joke, it's interesting. Wow, and it's not like I saw in Bosnia on asphalt, you see there is like this, which is better. Oh look guys, you can put your clothes like this to dry. Oh, or over there, wow, people trust here, you see each other.
You see like a newspaper.
Ah, it's against the sun? It's against the sun, yeah, maybe they cover it against the sun, yeah. Wow guys, look what kind of hostels they have with umbrellas, very cool design actually. In the communist building. Yeah, but in general, in Kazakhstan I noticed they keep streets like pretty clean, you know? Oh guys, you see dogs here. I am usually afraid of dogs, but they are afraid of me now. Wow guys, look, they have much more small businesses here. In Russia it's like, no, we also have it, but not as much, I think. Wow guys, look, it's like some gas station here. You see? Well, some people mostly dry clothes here, but it's some gas station. I think I saw it in some cities of Russia, but in St. Petersburg we don't have it like that, didn't have. Guys, it's crazy, it's the longest 5-story building I've seen in my life. Look how long it is. It's crazy. Guys, look, Kazakhstan is famous for its boxers, but here it says don't shoot with your legs. But you see, I can't even move my leg fast up.
Yeah, start here, start.
Ah. Так?
Yeah. Just push. Okay. Okay.
Because I'm afraid to break my my bone. It's just one time, yeah?
Yeah. You have 50 seconds.
Wow, this.
Это уже на что-то похоже.
He says it's something else, but
Half.
even my belly didn't help. Wow, you see guys, семей league of some boxing. Wow. Whoa. Это арбуз или дыня?
Арбуз, вот дыня.
Просто я видел вообще длинные такие, как форма интересная. У нас нет таких.
Это без карагат. Вот это ржа.
А то длинный это арбуз тоже?
Да, арбуз.
Не видел таких. Все.
Это типа нашего мяса.
О, Россия. You see, guys, what Commie did great. They did lots of these canteens as khana in Kazakh language, so you can eat cheap and fast. Let's check the local Kazakh canteen. Wow, guys, this all cost 2,300 tenge in Kazakhstan. You see, we have 2 borsches. And then this meat with rice. Yeah.
Maybe you can compare your борщ.
Well, there is no meat in this борщ. Вот такие, да? Модные.
Your favorite Adidas.
Да. Guys, I talked to many Kazakhs here, and they believe Genghis Khan was Kazakh, not Mongolian. Wow, guys, in Kazakhstan they put tire culture on another level. Look, it's very cool.